Right, morning guys, Sunday morning. I thought to see if I could top this load up. What we collected Saturday. Not too bad. I'm just going out today to see if I can fill this space up at the back. See what we can get. Let's get going, eh? We can see if we can fill it. Catch you in a bit. Right, we've got some good scrap here guys. A good load of scrap here guys now. This is gonna get my day short, unfortunately, for the videos, but it's a good little load. And this is what we've got. This is what's going on today. And get all this on. So two radiators, well, one little radiator, a tail rail, and it's some old school scaffolding in the gate. But yeah, that's what you want. Oh yes. I'll strap it all on, get it done guys, and I'll fill you in when it's all on. Try and space it out evenly. I've been for this 4 times now. This is my 4th time coming for it. I got it in the end, so perseverance guys. That guy's really nice as well, so that's a bonus. Don't mind me ringing at 7:30 in the morning, ringing the bell. There's a few bits in the skip as well, some alley, a brolly. Alright guys, we're going to finish getting the rest of this on, strap it on, and I'll show you when it's all on. Catch you in a bit. Right, we've got a bit more here guys. Bit of aluminium sheet. Right there. And a few other bits here. Oh, that's how late. Got that on. Got this on. And I'm going to get much more on there, but best to get it on. What's this? I'm leaving this. Alright, aluminium. It's money. There we go. It's worth a bloody for it. Ah, I think I'll get it there. There we go guys, let's go and get some more of these. We've got some wheel discs guys. Best steel, I like them on. Then we're going to be off at transit though. I'm like, no they are, I'm like, no. Well, I don't know, they look better than mine. Oh, look at them. No they are off at transit though, yeah. Let's go get some more guys. Right guys, I was going to say we got a bit more, but we ain't got a bit more because it's all wood. I seen that yesterday, but there you go. Let's go and see if we can get some more steel. Right guys, that's all loaded. Good bit of steel there. All that. Yeah, what do you call it? I forgot already. Yeah, old school scaffolding. A couple of rads, a tail rail, an old garden gate, some aluminium off the top of the skip. Filled it up. There you go guys, look at that. Don't need no more on there. Springs are bent, cracking little load. Hey, what can I say? Sunday morning, 7:30, full, done. Ready for Monday morning for the weigh-in guys. Okie doke guys, I'll catch you in a bit, and as always, if you've liked my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out massive. Thank you.